Hello guys. Welcome back to Program Explorer. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore something really cool. We'll learn how to install a module called appopener and use it to automate the opening and closing of applications on your computer. If you're ready to dive in, grab your keyboard and let's get started. First things first, let's install the appopener module. This module is like a magic wand that lets us control applications using Python. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install appopener. Now that we have the appopener module installed, let's start with something simple. Type this code. Now, go ahead and run the code. You'll see that it opens WhatsApp right before your eyes. Impressive, right? Let's take it a step further. Imagine you want to open an application, wait for a while, and then close it automatically. Python's time module will help us with that. Type this code. How about we add some interaction to our program? Imagine having the power to decide whether to open or close an application using your keyboard. Here's how you do it. The main function is a common practice in many Python scripts. It serves as the entry point for the script's execution. It encapsulates the main logic of the program, making it more organized and allowing for better code readability. App_open is a variable that stores the user's input. It's used to capture the user's command for opening or closing an application. Input prompts the user to enter text, and the entered text is assigned to app_open. .strip. Lower is applied to the input to remove leading and trailing whitespace, spaces or tabs, and convert the input to lowercase. This makes the input case insensitive and prevents issues caused by extra spaces. This section of the code is responsible for interpreting the user's input and taking action accordingly. If app_open starts with open, checks if the user's input starts with the word open. If it does, it assumes the user wants to open an application. If app_open starts with close, checks if the user's input starts with the word close. If it does, it assumes the user wants to close an application. If the input starts with neither open nor close, it prints typing error to indicate that the input command is not recognized. If the user's input starts with open, the code removes open from the input to get the name of the application, app_name. Then, it calls the open app_name function to open the specified application. If the user's input starts with close, it follows a similar process to close the specified application. If the user's input doesn't match either open or close, it prints typing error to indicate that the input was not recognized as a valid command. This block is a standard Python construct that ensures the main function is executed when the script is run as the main program, not when imported as a module. It's used to start the script's execution and serves as the entry point when the script is run. In summary, the main function serves as the core logic of the program, capturing user input, interpreting commands, and taking action accordingly. The app_open variable stores the user's input, and the script responds to commands to either open or close applications based on the input. The script is executed when run directly as the main program. Now, run the code. You can type open or close, then the app's name, and watch the automation unfold. Go ahead and give it a try. Fantastic job, everyone. You've learned how to install the App Opener module, automate app opening and closing using time, and even created a program that puts you in control. Remember, this is just the beginning of your Python journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Program Explorer for more beginner-friendly Python adventures. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Keep coding, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.